Meet Mr. Jones and Mr. Smith, two business-savvy guys that are planning for their future. Mr. Jones has invested in a traditional IRA composed of stocks and bonds. Mr. Smith, however, has decided to invest in physical gold and silver inside of his IRA. So let's take a look at the difference in their investment strategies. Now, the dollar has declined more than 25% within the last 10 years, and with the current economic trends, Mr. Jones' savings will be reduced by 60% in just 20 years, not to mention the fact that historically, the stock market collapses about every 7 years. Now, let's look at Mr. Smith's investment. The fact is, gold and silver have produced gains above 300% over the last 10 to 12 years, outperforming both stocks and bonds. And gold and silver serve as a hedge against the loss of purchasing power through inflation. As the value of the dollar has declined, the value of gold and silver has increased dramatically. Mr. Smith knows that gold and silver offer both wealth preservation and growth. Want to be like Mr. Smith? Then learn more by calling the Regent Gold Group at 800-496-5945.